hungry because of this crisis. Is that not something you would consider?
Well, first of all, the border markets are open completely. There are more than 50 markets. There are 4 main ones, but there are over 50 other smaller markets where Haitians were not for those markets. The level of hunger in Haiti would be far greater. So of course we're more than willing to help with humanitarian assistance. The question is how? If you have trucks going through land, through the roads, they are controlled by the gangs. We're more than willing to help with the international community with any humanitarian assistance, but the question is being asked, why isn't the Dominican Republic shouldering the bulk of it? That is not, we can't. We're a developing country as well. Even though we're richer than Haiti, that doesn't mean that we are a rich country either.